Hey everybody, it's Charles and Kelsey from Voces Digital, and we have a winner that we'd like to draw for this week's contest.
If you haven't heard, the winner is drawn every week, and all you have to do to be entered to win is schedule a walkthrough with us and show up for that walkthrough. Once you've completed the walkthrough, you're automatically in the drawing.
That's right, and you only have to do one walkthrough and you're automatically entered for every drawing that we're going to be having for the next 2 months. Before we get to our winner though, we also have a question that was given to us by one of our teachers.
Yep, several teachers asked over the course of the past week how to let their students access Voces. So after we draw this winner, we're going to show you exactly how to do that.
Shuffle, shuffle.
Our first winner,
Drum roll.
Dawn Smith, who will be winning a $25 Teacher's Discovery gift card. So congratulations, Dawn. We'll be in touch with you to let you know how to claim your prize.
Awesome, congratulations.
All right, guys, thank you so much. I look forward to meeting with each and every one of you to show you how Voces works and how it can be successful in your classroom. Now stay tuned for that walkthrough of how to get your students using it.
Hi, this is Kelsey with Voces Digital, and today I'm going to show you how to create a class and add students. Once you're logged in to your Voces account, you'll choose the title that you want to add your students to. We're going to go ahead with Introductory Spanish. Next, you're going to click on the Teachers panel. It's this icon down here with the globe and the little head. From there, you're going to click on this desk icon here for Class and Student Management. Now this is going to show all of the classes that you currently have. To create a new class, simply click New Class. You'll give that class a name and hit Create. Now you've created a class. So the next step is to add students. To add your students, you'll click on the name of the class you want to add them to, and then click Add or View Students. You'll notice there's a sample student, and that will happen in every class you create. It does not take up any of your licenses, and is there so that you can actually log into that class as a student. There are a couple of options for adding your students. The first we'll take a look at is the Quick Add. Quick Add allows me to type in the first name and last name of a student and give them a user ID, or leave it blank and let the system assign one. So I'm going to put in a first name and a last name. I'm going to leave that user ID blank. I click Add Student, and now that student is added to my list of students. You can go through and do that for each student that you have. This is recommended if you have smaller classes, maybe up to 10 students. The next option is a CSV add. The CSV add is a comma-separated value spreadsheet. It's very easy to create this if you have a spreadsheet of your students. This is my spreadsheet of my 3 students that are going to go in this class. To create a CSV, I simply click File, Download As, comma-separated values. It might look a little bit different in Excel, but that option is available there as well. So now back in Voces, I'm going to go ahead and click CSV Add. We do have a template here if you need help getting started with the spreadsheet. I already have mine, so I'm going to click on Step 2. Now I'm going to select that file that I just created. So choose File. It's my first period student roster. Now you'll notice that there's an option here to check this box if the first row of your CSV column has names. So in mine, I do have names for each column, so I'm going to check that box. If your file is in a different order, so if it doesn't go first name, last name, user ID, for example, if last name is first, you'll just change these numbers to match. We'll go ahead and click Step 3, which is going to show us an example of what those students will look like once imported. So as long as everything looks good here, and again, you can leave that user ID blank and the system will create one, but I did go ahead and just give examples. I go ahead and click Finalize, and it'll let me know that the students were successfully created. Refresh the screen, pop right back into that class, add or view my students, and now I see all 5 of those students there. 5 because it does include that sample student. Now if I want to look at the user IDs for my students, I'm going to stay on this screen I'm going to click on this option here that says ID cards. ID cards will give me a printable page that has all of my students' class IDs, user IDs, and gives them their title name and our email address here for any technical help. So that's it. That's how you create a class and add students. As always, if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can do so very easily from the question mark icon in your Voces title. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.